Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make this in Illustrator. So to get started, first we need to create a 100 by 100 ellipse. Then we need to drag and create a copy, and then we have to remove the foreground color. Now you drag these two and create two more copies. And you rotate these 90 degrees. And you do as shown on the screen. You make this flower-like pattern, and then go to Pathfinder and intersect. Delete all the extra parts. Now press Ctrl X to make the background color the foreground color. Then create a copy and rotate 15 degrees. And then transform the copy to about 80% of the original. Group these together. And repeat this whole process a couple of times. Once more. Create another ellipse. Center these. And make sure that the flower-like pattern is exactly on the edge of the circle. Apply these settings as you see, and click 1 to 3 times depending on how you want it to look. Enlarge the whole thing. Apply a gradient on the ellipse. You can choose any color, but I'm going to go with blue. Change the type to radial and adjust it so. Remove the stroke. Create a copy of the ellipse. Move it backwards. Enlarge it. Go to Path, Object Divide below, and make a intersection between the larger and the smaller one. The outer thing would be the ring, and it is up to you which size you want. And remove the center circles just so only the ring remains. And now you need to apply a gradient on the ring. Choose combination of white and silver. The white part will be the shiny part, and the silver will provide a metallic like feel to the ring. Start by changing the color of the flower to white. Then create a copy of the ellipse behind. Change the gradient to a lighter shade of blue. You can make any adjustments you want, but I think this looks better. Now enlarge the gradient. Oops. Apply the gradient to the center spiral. Change its opacity. Make all necessary adjustments. Create a copy and rotate 45 degrees and reduce its opacity. Create another copy and make it smaller. Apply the same thing to the stroke. Increase the stroke to the size you want. And there you have it.